Hey guys, got the box of triple threads to break. Everybody that's in this, good luck. 0, 2, 4. Let's break them. Alright, here we go, best of luck. Do about the same. To the front. Alright, starting this off. Oh, I'm zoomed in. There we go. Starting us off, Drew Brees, number to 499. And Tom Brady, number to 299. Joe Flacco, 1350. Percy Harvin, 1350. Matt Schaub, 1350 for the first hit. Two-time Pro Bowl, Roddy White, Atlanta Falcons. Two-time Pro Bowl. Pretty nice card. Anyway, I didn't get anything yet. Good luck. This one's a thick one, actually. It's going to be numbered to 10, I believe. Probably a rookie card. Alright. Troy Aikman, $4.99. Beanie Wells, number to 99. Sean Green, $13.50. Eddie Royal, $13.50. John Elway, $13.50 for the hit. Anthony McCoy, number 1 of 10. But look at those patches. Those are sick. You see it very well. 10. So we're at the Seahawks. Congrats. Really nice card. Good break, guys.